And here we have a couple of little jumping kitties. These are Gidget's kittens. They are 6 weeks old yesterday. And they are having a little bit of fun out here. Trying to get still pictures, but they won't be still. So, I guess video clips is the way to go. We have a blue cream tabby point, and I think a seal tortie tabby point. It's just getting to be dusk and the light is very nice out here tonight. I guess they don't understand the concept that the camera lens is only so wide. So there they are, Gidget and Jamie's 6-week-old Birman kittens.